So the DTF 600 machine is an excellent printer that prints directly onto film, which then gets directly applied onto your garments, right? But what if I told you that the film itself now comes in an assortment of options, like this golden glitter texture here? Which I think is a truly excellent idea, and I think we should put this to the test straight away. And while we're waiting for that, I've already pressed a sample just to show you how exactly it comes out. Now take a look at this. And that means you can get an added texture effect on your design by taking advantage of the special textured film. And now, back to the heat press. And look at that, the glitter is all over the design, adding a sparkle to your finish. Now that's awesome stuff. Oh, and by the way, we also got DTF film sheets in stock. Now, why don't you bring your own samples in so we can put the DTF to the test and see what this amazing machine can do. Just give sales a call to book your appointment.
"2023 marks the 10th anniversary of am.co.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunny Rock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare part storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. am.co.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. am.co.za. Achievement matters.